have here a couple of items. In this hand, it's a high school diploma, something we're all here to get, with Brian's name on it. And in this hand is a metal plaque with Brian's name. It's his gravestone marker.
At the U.S. Attorney's Office, we do prosecute crimes, prosecute criminals. We also view ourselves as community problem solvers, and that's what brings us here today. We have an epidemic in this country, and it's opiate addiction and abuse, which leads to overdoses, which often leads to death. "98% of the prescription painkillers written in the world are written in the United States. We outnumber Canada, our neighbors to the north, 2 to 1 in the number of prescription painkillers, Oxycontin, Vicodin, stuff like that. Canadians aren't twice as tough as us, and we're not twice as wimpy as Canadians, and they're right across the border. It's just this culture here about pain prescriptions being written for adults. People get addicted to the pain pills, which is synthetic heroin, and then heroin's much cheaper. They get into the heroin, you short it soon enough, there's overdoses because there's no quality control in heroin.
But what happened with Brian is that as he progressed through the prescription drugs, and when it came down to the street, well, those prescription drugs are very expensive. It's no longer that copay that your parents have can get you a bottle of pills. You pay dearly. But at that point, you're addicted, and you have no choice now. The drug controls you and every part of your life. I'd like you to think about this, because I want you all to work hard, to do everything you can to get this. And work hard and do everything you can to avoid getting one of these. Thank you.